Okay, today we're going to check what's inside of the starter. Let's start open that. Wow, there's a starter, look like it's a fuse in there. There is a two fuse in there, and let's solder it to one another, and one inside is look like light bulb. Let me open this up so you could see what's in there. Okay, did you see this? What's in there? It's look like little light bulb in there with one fuse. Okay, thank you. We're going to put it back together. Let's see how it's go. Close this. Now you've seen what's inside of the starter, fluorescent lights starter. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on this video so you don't miss out on other videos. That's what's inside of many other things. Thank you. Bye bye.